This is the orange list. Number 1, swimming. We went swimming at the beach. Number 2 is resting. Grandma is resting before the big birthday party. Number 3 is jumping. We are going to be jumping rope during recess. Number 4 is sitting. We've been sitting in the auditorium for an hour for the concert. Sitting. Number 5 is passing. We've been passing the salt to everybody at the lunch table. Number 6 is running. Poppy was running to get away from Mr. Okax. Number 7 is flip. I will flip the pancake and cook it some more. Number 8 is flipping. Flipping the pancake will make it cook evenly on both sides. Number 9 is stack. Stack the dominoes inside the box when it's time to clean up. Number 10 is stacking. I'm stacking the dominoes to make a very tall tower.